Good morning, Chef Chris Olin, Chef Out of Water. We're in downtown Siem Reap, Cambodia, just outside of Peanut Phu Restaurant. We're just about to kick off a breakfast service featuring local street food. It's very popular here, and we're going to serve about 300 people. All the proceeds today are going to go to a local children's hospital, and all of our guests, as well as our chefs from 4 different countries, are going to be serving the food. So follow along, see what happens. This is going to be an awesome morning.
Super excited to be part of this great event this morning. Looking forward to being able to help wherever I can, and go to the hospital later on and see the good that will come out of today.
29 hours in Cambodia. Feel like I've been reborn. Learned to dress this morning. Learning a new language. Let's hope the chef and me can come out.
Well, super excited about everything today. See the amount of people we're going to cook for and all that. Despite the fact that it's 5 in the morning, I think it's going to be a good time.
Yeah, I think I'm most excited about seeing how the kitchen works inside and seeing how many people turn up.
Morning. Yep, it's 5 a.m. Very, very excited to be here, and cannot wait to get in the kitchen and work with the kids and go and see the spoons and then go to the hospital. It's going to be a great day.
I'm just happy that we can, whichever small way we can, return the favour and help the kids out, help the community out.
So I think that I'm really excited to learn about another type of Nom Banh Jok that I've never had before, and to learn about how to make Nom Banh Jok. I've never done that, and I'm most excited about going to the market and finally, standing on the other side of that stall and serving people. That's what I'm most excited about.
Good morning. It's beautiful, hot morning here in Cambodia, and we are here to support kids, to support cooking, and to have a great day. So I cannot wait for more heat to come on.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're sitting in the cool part of the morning, thankfully. We're looking forward to doing a whole bunch of cooking and a whole bunch of serving, and hopefully raise a ton of money for us.
It's really good to come from Poland to be part of something very important and really beautiful. So that's why I am excited.
We've done a lot of pop-ups, but this one's crazy. There must be 40, 50 people helping, doing various things. I'll tell you what, Mangli is one organized dude.
Looks bad.
You are in your element.
Thank you.
Yeah. Doing a good job, Chef Mangli Mork at Peanut Phu Restaurant. He's also a board member of Spoons. Put this whole thing together. We got about 17 minutes when we start service. All right, all the customers are queuing up, getting ready for this awesome breakfast.
Yeah.
Man, what a community.
Thì đã lưới prai rồi.
Nom Banh Jok dân chuông mặc tàu hải. Nom Banh Jok Nom Nom Banh Jok Yon Kuom Mak Dal Hai. Nom Banh Jok Yon Kuom Mak Dal Hai. Nom Banh Jok Yon Kuom Mak Dal Hai. And lucky last, Nom Banh Jok Yon Kuom Mak Dal Hai. Nom Banh Jok Yon Kuom Mak Dal Hai.
Cho tạm biệt con á. Yang keng ceko telakam mangkat yang kerjang kaye nawia menasa tetete tang katang ye tata sanyeno at ye jatata sanyeno katang panya palang mai ang sampe ki pewan tote ye tang katang sowiti tang tenang Halang media ye catat tanah cianam tete wia pane wete yung sape lokam sabta jiwan tahara hetoka nyang ko janang sape lapuan tome mecet sate ôn xong lúc này tiếp tục nha con Tôm chun mẹ phal chăm
phật trời đó mẹ đa bay đa con cừu ốc chia trà con nhiệt tê cá pram pi san đan chi đôn chi ta rồi nơi đây na rôm cha trái than tôm chun mẹ phal cô sao can sông sọc tam san thọ than phật tông phật pi chiết ninh rô chiết mông tôm ai ban sọc thọ bên thiên nong ri mà chặt tiền đàn nhang miên chặt ria พระโบเจียขนองสักนาสมเทวดาลูกอ้อยโบอ้อยบานเท่าตัวใดก็เจไรใจเมียงควาลโสมอ้อยให้พัลอ้อยบานดอลส่วนเล็บเปียงโสมอ้อยโลบานซอกต่อตมุกแต่เมียนรีพัลเมื่อมาจ้าเตียนอ้อยเนี่ยบานบริโภคอนุโมทนาตัวยกบันอนุโมทนาแม่พัลอนุโมทนาสไรสัวสไรทุเตียนจำไว้อนุโมทนีคนคนอาคุณอาเนี่ยลูกคนจัดจังอาบานอาคุณจะไปรถตามถนนแม่นตรงตัวนะแม่นโชว์ที่ประสังสุดหมดจะเป็น
You got about, well, I don't know why you're sitting idle. You got 4 minutes. Go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, but I've got no banana leaf.
Cái đấy sao rồi?
That was awesome. The student becomes the master.
After you finish it, it's like you take a bowl. And then you finish by
It's good.
Okay, good.
It's a giant Australian man, they say. He is big in Cambodia.
You seem like you're in your element.
This is so exciting.
All right, you guys ready? It's like 4 minutes till open.
We cannot wait. Wow, the excitement is building.
Yadida, is that hard?
From Knife Boy.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun with our uniform and very good challenging. Nom Banh Jok, Yen Q Hong, Bắc Đạo Hạ. Nom Banh Jok, Yen Q Hong, Bắc Đạo Hạ. Nom Banh Jok, Yen Q Hong, Bắc Đạo Hạ. Nom Banh Jok, Yen Q Hong, Bắc Đạo Hạ.